go over the following: how to register an app, how to check postback settings, how to add tracking links, how to create and set up a new campaign, as well as how to activate a new campaign. First, we will learn how to register your app. You must register all apps that you would like to run campaigns for. Once in your overview page, go to the Assets menu. Then on the left-hand side, you will see an App tab where you will find a list of all registered apps within the ad account. To register a new app, click Create. Once you've selected the type, the OS, and the marketplace, simply search for the name of the app. A lot of the information will be automatically filled out, such as the title, domain, app market URL, the app market bundle, and category from the Google Play Store itself. Make sure to remove any special characters from the title. Please select your MMP and fill out your MMP bundle ID. And then click Create. Here you will find a list of the apps that have been registered, and make sure the status is active. Once your app is registered, you will find it under the app list here. Please make sure that the status is active. If this is under review, please reach out to your MOLOCO representative or contact us through our help center. After your app is registered, please click on the title to see the list of the postback events that we are receiving. If we are not receiving postback data, you will not see the events here, and please check your integration if there is an issue. To add tracking links, first go to the Assets page. Then on the left-hand side, you will see a tab for Apps and Tracking Links. Once you click Tracking Links, you will see all of the links that have been registered under that ad account. To create a new tracking link, go ahead and click Create. Then select the app you would like to add the tracking link to. Enter the title, a description if necessary, and select your tracking company. Then simply copy and paste your click links here and your impression links here and click Create. You will then see the link that you have registered under your tracking links. To create a new campaign, first go to the Overview section and go ahead and click Create Campaign. Then select the app that you would like to create the campaign for. And go ahead and select your countries. You can create up to 20 campaigns at one time. For demo purposes, I will be creating 2 campaigns at once. Then go ahead and set your title. You can set different titles by each country. You can also add your country codes. Add a description if necessary, and select your campaign type. You can select between an app install campaign or a re-engagement campaign. Next, you will be able to select your optimization goal. You will be able to choose between install, in-app event, and ROAS campaign optimization goals. For an install campaign, you will also be able to select your bid control priority. Your bid control priority will dictate the bidding strategy and will prioritize the campaign to optimize towards the target CPI or spending the full daily budget. In target CPI mode, you will be able to select and input the target cost per install you would like to optimize towards. However, please note that the campaign will need at least 3 days of training while spending your full daily budget in order to optimize towards the set target CPI. The campaign may also underspend or stop spending the budget if the actual CPI is higher than the set target. By selecting the daily budget bid control priority, you will be focusing on spending the full daily budget while also optimizing towards the lowest eCPI possible. Next, for in-app event optimization goals, please select the in-app event based on the postback data that we are receiving for you to optimize towards that specific event. For ROAS optimization goals, we will make sure to need the in-app event as well as the revenue value to optimize towards a specific event as well as its ROAS. For this training video, I will be creating an install optimization campaign while prioritizing its daily budget. Next, you can go ahead and set the schedule and the budget. I will be setting 2 different daily budgets for each country. Next, you can go ahead and schedule your campaign's start date as well as an end date. If you do not have a set end date, just click No End Date here. Next, you will be able to add your tracking links to the campaign. If you would like to add a new tracking link, you can go ahead and select New Tracking Link here. Next, you can select your action event for report. You may select an event for reporting purposes that will be shown in the Overview, Reports, or Analytics section. However, this does not mean that the campaign will be optimizing towards this event. The campaign will continue to optimize towards your campaign goal, which is previously set above. This is simply for reporting purposes to track your aggregated actions and your CPAs. Next, you will be able to select your LAT or DNT targeting, whether or not you would like to target devices that have limited ad tracking enabled or disabled. For demo purposes, I will be targeting non-LAT devices. Next, we will set up our ad groups. All creative groups and custom targets will be linked on an ad group level. And though it is not recommended, you can adjust your impression interval here. This will adjust how often one user is exposed to the same ad. The default setting will be set at 12 hours. Then go ahead and add in any creative groups that you have previously uploaded, or you can create a new creative group by selecting New Creative Group here. Next, apply any custom targets or suppression lists that you have previously made. Please refer to our creative settings video or our user targeting video on how to upload creative groups and custom targets. Once all of the information is filled out, go ahead and click Create. You will then find the campaigns we have just created, Demo Campaign USA and Demo Campaign Korea, here under App 1. The status will be submitted and will change to active once there is enough data for the models to launch the campaign. Once the status is active, you can go in and turn on the campaigns for the campaigns to be live. To make any adjustments to your campaign, go ahead and select this pencil icon here, where you can make changes to the title, the bid control priority, the daily budget, as well as the tracking link, and click Save. For additional resources, please refer to our MOLOCO Help Center at moloco.zendesk.com. Here you will find notices for any newly released or updated features, as well as very detailed user manuals for any of the cloud features that are available. For any additional inquiries, please click Contact Us, where you can send us a message. If you are an existing cloud user, please enter your workplace title as well as the category of the ticket you would like to issue so that our team can provide the support that you need.